Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be what I believe to be an untapped YouTube advertising marketing strategy that I haven't really seen anyone talking about right now. And to be completely honest with you, I just stumbled across this testing other things. So I'm showing you my entire account right now. The actual campaign name is a little bit blurred out because I don't want people to see my niche and what I'm advertising as usual. But just for reference, you can see the entirety of this account lifespan. My average cost per conversion is around $60 to make one sale, and my average order value is around $190 to $225. So a while ago, I was trying to promote some influencer videos, so I did partnerships with influencers and with them videos. I have a YouTube channel for this brand I'm operating right now. I make compilations with these influencer clips, and I run ads to them because I wanted to rank in YouTube, get more views and organic stuff. So if I were supposed to do this on one of my regular video campaigns that I have right here, my cost per conversion, if I were supposed to run direct ads to the keywords that I want to market for or want to get traffic for, it would still cost me around $3 to $5 per click because it's a very high CPM niche. It's very competitive. So that would still be crazy even though it's profitable. Now, during the time when I was setting up these testing campaigns, I'm going to show you for comparison, I wasn't trying to make sales or anything. I was just purely trying to get some attention to the video to help it get some traction and going. And I'm going to go to the campaign and show it to you right now. So we can see here, as you can see in this campaign, the average cost per view is around 3 cents, which is insane. Got a total of a little bit over 4,000 views total, and I spent $180. The reason why a lot of these are off right now is because I literally just turned this back on today because I found out that this was actually working, or something else was working that I didn't expect. And as you can see right here, 0% conversion rate. But when you scroll over to the right, let's see if it's there. It's right here, the view through conversions. If you don't know what this is, it's pretty much just saying if someone sees your display ad or your video ad and don't interact with it and still end up making a purchase from your website because of that ad, it counts as a conversion, but it doesn't get tracked. It doesn't get tracked in your conversion column. So like right here, it says 0 conversion, but the view through is actually much higher. So I was really confused by this first and really skeptical of how Google is actually reporting this to me, telling me that, hey, these conversions came from here. But then I actually went back into my Shopify dashboard. I'm not going to go into the great details, but I went back to my Shopify dashboard for the time frames that the orders came through, checked out each ordering set from YouTube and whatever else. So you can see around 210 orders here specifically from YouTube, $41,000 in sales. So what this one campaign had 56 conversions, and let's just say 56 is a quarter of whatever that is, 210. So 56 conversions, so around $10,000 in sales that this generated. So in total for this campaign, I spent $180. And like I said, I turned this off a long time ago because it was strictly for video promotion and not for sales. I spent $180 in these videos, and they were display videos, and they were super cheap, super targeted, super high competitive, but I was paying dirt cheap for them. Now the videos got around 4,766 views, 56 sales, so that's a 1.17% conversion rate, which lines up just about right with cold traffic for my store. And again, my average cost per acquisition per customer before, as you can see, let me go back to this page, is around $60. So at this rate, if I'm spending $180 and getting 56 conversions, I'm only paying $3.21 per conversion, which is just mind-blowing. And I actually did the math, and it's a 56x ROI. So every dollar I spend in this account or spend on this ad, I get around $56 back. Now, what this is, because I've said it already, but it's just a display ad. So for example, if you're in a finance niche and you want to run ads on finance video, you're going to pay a lot of money just to get shown on the top videos. But if you go to discovery ads, your video still gets shown in the search results next to when people are typing in your keyword or whatever. Your video pops up in the top of the search results and you pay dirt cheap for it. So I'm going to show you how to actually set this up real quick so you guys can test it out for yourself. And if you're on this, works for any product. It's literally just to get people who are already interested in your offer to see it, because you're just paying to have your video show up on the first page. And again, I'm going to be doing this much more often in the future because now that I found out that I can get conversions for dirt cheap, there's no reason not to do it. So I'm going to see how this performs in the future, but just here's how you do it. So all you have to do is click on not new ad group. Let me go back to the main account. Click on new campaign. See how long this takes to load up. And then you're going to click create a campaign without a goal. Come down to video. You're going to keep it at custom video campaign. Continue. This is moving really slow. So just leave the campaign name the same. I wanted to spend daily. Let's say I wanted to spend $5 a day. United States. Inventory type, I'm going to put this on expanded inventory because anyone can see my product. And when you put it on expanded inventory, you get cheaper cost per clicks or cost per view. But if you have a product that you don't want to show on sensitive things with people not family friendly, then put it on standard or limited inventory. I'm not going to add anything in here, but you can, my Google shopping ads are in here as well. I'm not going to link this right now. And then scroll down here, you would put in the keywords. So like whatever your, let's say I'm going to use one of my videos, for example. I have a recent video about Google ads, so I'm just going to go ahead, copy the URL, come back here. So if I wanted to do a Google ads video, I would just type in Google ads suspension as my keyword, type it right there, and that would be my keyword. I don't know how much it would probably cost a lot more to run an ad for Google ads suspension if you're an agency that you're going to quote unquote fix the suspended account. So that would be my keyword, and I'm going to leave it at any topic replacement, and maximum cost per view is 5 cents. YouTube video, paste a link from there. And this is the important part. You don't want it to be a skippable in-stream ad. If you choose this, then you're going to be paying the average cost per view on YouTube. You want to be an in-video ad. The difference between this and this is the skippable in-stream ad, it will only show before, during, or after videos that are related to your keyword that you selected. But with the in-feed ad, you get all of that, plus you get to be shown on the homepage, search results, next to the videos, everything else. It doesn't really make, actually it makes perfect sense why this is the way, because with an in-stream ad, you're forcing someone to watch your ad, so you're paying for the convenience of someone not having the possibility to skip your ad for 5 to 30 seconds. With an in-stream ad, it's crazy to think that not that many people are doing this, because if you think about it this way, this one, you're paying more to force your ad on someone. This way, you're paying less to have someone make a conscious decision to see your ad in the search results and decide to view or watch it. So whatever you're selling, whatever you're trying to promote, it's just genius, and it's great. So with the in-stream ads that we're not going to do, we're going to do the in-feed video ads. And this one, you get 100 characters you can type in here for the headline, very descriptive, and anything else you want. And all this is going to do is when this ad shows up, it's not going to take them to your website or anything. The person who's clicking on this ad is going to get taken directly to that video. So if you have a sales video or a sales pitch or anything that you want people to see, you would just link the video URL and they go and watch it. And then, however long it takes for them to convert. I'm planning to just do this in multiple categories just to find the related searches to my current, niche, and just expanding this. But for me, this is really crazy, and I hope it brought some value to you. Hopefully you guys have success with this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.